as you can see, we are on the land now itself and we are building mud bricks. So now I would like to share to you how we do our mud bricks here. So basically this is a land where full of marine clay soil, marine clay soil means sticky, and it's like a little bit of saltiness probably. And also you can see this is the quality of the soil. Okay. Yeah, so you can see that. Okay. So that's the water. Okay, that's the water, but don't worry, that water is actually coming from the straw that we bring in from there, and then it drips off to here, so you can see the water. So basically all our bricks that you can see from the back here, everything, almost all the soil is from here, yeah, beside the straw. Now all the soil material is from here. It's impossible for you to import soil. It's better to use whatever you have in your own land or resources. So this is what we have, and we mix with straw, some sand, and also rice husk like then you form mud bricks. Of course, it needs your experience to know how much material to mix in order to make a good soil. Everyone start from nothing, like zero knowledge, but along the way you learn, and almost all our volunteers learn that too. And then we will everyone will step it here, and then we have to mix it, break the clay, and then later we'll bring all this material just by this bucket, as you can see. Okay, you can see more photos on this our Facebook page or Instagram, and you can see this one bucket of soil is very, very heavy because it's soil, water, fiber, and this only enough for one brick. Okay, this is sustainable. Male, female, we can carry it. So importantly is to remember that it needs to be sustainable. It means that how many times can you carry from here to there is very important. Very, very heavy. Okay, hard work. And after that, we'll come to this part where we'll put the mold. Okay, there's a lot of mold here. You can see this is our mud brick mold. I think 3 is just nice. More than that, yeah, you can do that. But then I think, it's more motivated when you have 3. We even have a mini one like 2. This is 2. You can do that too. It's quite fun to have 2 together. So this is the mold that we use for the mud bricks here. And then later, after all that, we'll start to put on this, and then we'll start to lay everything, the mixture, the mud mixture. Mud mixture. Okay, lay into it. And then later, you'll see, if you follow our Instagram, you'll see how we remove the mud bricks from this mold. Yeah. Okay, so this is what makes it very tricky, that even though you might think that you're doing the same thing, but when you remove it, you know how well the mixture is, and later that's the result of a good quality of mixture. When you pull it out, it feels just different. Okay, so that's important. After I pull it out, now you can see I'm drying the brick. So it's all about drying it and then turning it up. Okay, so it's very, very heavy at the beginning. After a while, it starts to dry off and get lighter and lighter. As you can see, it's not that light, okay? It's quite heavy, and you have to turn it up. Okay, make sure the shake is a little bit nicer. You can fix it while in this condition, and then later we need to dry, and then we need to turn it in. So slowly, after the dry, semi-dry, you can see this is what we call semi-dry. It's not fully dry yet. You can see the color is very, very different. So this is all soil, fully soil from our own land. So means that this area, the soil are grayish. Yeah, grayish. And you can see some is a bit reddish, right? It's because different zone, then we have got different color. So it is very, very natural that we got all this from our own land. You can see this is a mixture of the fiber part. Okay. So there you go. So it's all about time and effort to do it one by one, and along the way we learn. So if you really want to learn more about how to do a mud bricks and how to do a foundation, how to build the mud houses, or now we are doing the mud seed bank, please welcome to participate in our workshops or short workshops that we'll have, maybe 2 days workshop or 5 days workshop, and later you will learn a lot more about mud bricks and doing it. So it's all about your experience that's the matter most. Okay, so today my sharing is just here, and this is how we made it from the scratch to a full bricks like this. Okay, please follow us more and follow our progress, and see you again.